Last week, I got hacked. You might be asking, how? Did they guess your password? Did you get a call from a Nigerian prince? The real answer is more stupid. I actually got sent this fake sponsorship email with a phishing link. When I logged in, they changed all my recovery methods. Within an hour, they started live streaming a crypto scam, and when I woke up the next morning, my channel was gone. Luckily, I managed to get it back within 2 days, and now today, in their honour, we're making hacker swag. The main base for this beat is going to be the sound of good old-fashioned dial-up internet. For those of you that haven't reached UNC status yet, this is what it sounds like. I'm going to chop it and pitch it to make some kind of melody out of it. Add a lead to make it a bit more melodic. Couple shorter notes. A second lead that falls down. Add an ARP. Control B this. I'm going to go to half step grid and add some short notes to make it sound kind of glitchy. Bit Crush is the goat for a degraded digital kind of sound. On a new synth, I'm adding some thirds. Or fourths, I don't really know, but it sounds good. I can see that you're not subscribed. Look, hit subscribe, or I'm gonna hack into your YouTube or something, I don't know. I haven't decided. Make some drums. I'm gonna use my 2000 swag kit. Crush Kick is my favourite. I'm also going to use my new jazz kit for a snare. Bit Crush it. Put on a fastest. Layer it with a clap and another snare. Ooh. Let's add a counter snare. An open hat. This acoustic hat. Let's add some shakers. I'm just going to use one of the loops in my kit. Glass smash. Gunshot. Zap. I need to save this. What? These updates are getting crazy, bro. If you want to check out my sample packs, the link is in the description. They're on sale right now. You can get a further 20% off with code YouTube. Let's make a fat bass line. Make it jump up an octave. Just copy this. Make it follow the progression. Let's add another bass. Copy this, put it up an octave, let's change it a bit. Let's add one more bass. Let's just copy this. Add this alarm sound. I'm going to chop it and loop a section of it. I made this breakdown. This new bass pattern. It'll make sense when you hear the full beat. Let me just shorten this. Pitch it down a bit. To make anything sound like a robot, just put a delay on it, and then put the time knob down really low. Add a bunch of text-to-speech.
Your account has been compromised.
And we're done. Let's go.
Hello. This is an urgent system warning from the Network Authority. An individual within the district has reported a compromised account. Stand by. Circus is about to drop some fire.
Circus.
You've got mail.
Your account has been compromised. Recovery commencing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Systems failed.